These are all signs of a potential bottom here, folks. Plus, we'll take a look at the violence of the rejection off the low. It gives us confidence that there is a bunch of orders in this area. Let's take a look at last week. Now, I should say, if you use the indicators from sacredprofit.com, the free indicators from our website, not only would you see all this play out, but you would have been able to make money along the way, because we actually did have a trade last week. Do you remember what the trade opened at last week, Peter? Over here, there's a trade at 119 to fall to this level over here at 117. I believe that's what it was. Yeah, here to here. And did we get that fall? Yes. Now, what we were hoping for is that on Marauder Monday, we get a move that has a counter trend move for the week that follows. That means if it falls on Monday, it usually rises for the rest of the week. If it rises on Monday, it falls for the rest of the week. We did not get this because this rule isn't 100%. Whenever you're dealing with external volatility, external news, you can't really plot that on the chart. All that happens is that as the price moves, according to the event, you have a better idea to where it might go. So after that trade that happened last week, which was successful, the price fell down to where? 113. Guys, we've been talking about this level at 113 now since it got created back on July 14th. And do you guys remember what I was saying about this level 113? The fact that we hadn't touched it this entire time. What was I saying about that? Can you remember that, Peter? Can you bring the class up to speed?
You really, really, really wanted it to get to 113 because it was the responsible thing for Bitcoin to do.
Exactly. We want to, in order to walk our way up, when we're looking at the chart, the price likes to walk its way up to higher highs. And if we skip levels, like we skipped over here, this was the price of, let's call it 99 from that was made May 11th. This was this level here. What happened? What happened is on every other all-time high attempt, all the other breaks failed until we got down to that level, to the 99 level. And once it cleared, what happened, folks? We rocketed up. Do you guys see that? Are you seeing this?
Okay.
Once we clear the levels, then blue skies await us. So I was hoping that we would hit this level before the end of the month. It didn't happen. It took the entire month for it to occur. I was hoping we were going to hit down over here, and we didn't get there. Fine. So we take a look at last week. The price, our trend in the back here, you're seeing the trend turn red here, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, yellow here and then red again. And then it fell through. All right, fine. Once it fell through, the price came straight down to where? 113, exactly the level that we're talking about. And it went a little bit further still. Do you see where it went a little bit further down there? Where did it go, the price? It went to our wave level, right here, right on the nose, because It was nearby. All right? And at the same time, we have our trend back here turned yellow. So these are all signs of a potential bottom here, folks. Plus, we'll take a look at the violence of the rejection off the low. It gives us confidence that there is a bunch of orders in this area. All right? So last week, we had the first trade, which was a success. That was a trade of 1.64%. So that was a 50% trade, or a little bit more than a 50% trade. And then if you took the short down to the bottom, you could also make money from the break, which would have been from around here. And you could have made something like 2% on the drop, which would be 100% trade. This is where it comes in very handy for you to have these indicators yourself. It's challenging for me to provide you with every move, day by day, move by move, because so many things can happen and you can make your own decisions. Soon we're going to be having our Telegram group up where you're going to be able to go get a little bit more granular news as I pay attention to it throughout the day and throughout the week. But for right now, definitely, and in general, having these indicators yourselves makes total sense, and it is free to do so. Guys, I'm here to help you make money and enjoy yourself doing it. And for that, I need your help. Click like and subscribe in order to help this channel, and share it with anybody else that you would like to see prosper. If you hate your family and friends, don't share it. But if you love them, share it. I'm going to put that on the t-shirt.
Yeah, please do.